What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Malik's Water Garden. In this channel, you're going to be learning a lot about higher end exotic freshwater fish. I keep a lot of the fancy plecos, rare corridoras, discus, ultim angels, really cool types of catfish, tetras that you cannot find usually, like these green neons. I have a lot of cool fish, and I talk about how to take care of these guys. So it's an advanced channel, it's an educational channel, it is somewhat entertaining, but mostly it's for educational purpose. So if you want to learn about advanced fish keeping, subscribe down below, hit that notification icon so you get updated when these type of videos get uploaded. As always, thank you so much for your support. Let's get into the channel.
Produced by Malik.